From the 4th of the 2nd month of 1444, an elemental spread. 15. The devil reversed accomplishes what many don't. Ace of hats reversed is when you can't express how you feel. 13. Death reversed knows when thou shalt not. The 3 of oysters reversed simply won't. There's something you should carry, even if it means obscurity. Witnessing what happened with others allows directing possibility. What's holding you up may not be as sensed. We're redirecting from evil when we understand. What are your...
Well, this one was a little bit strange. I got a lot of changes, emotions that are hidden, a lot of just a halt. I see bystanders, in a position where you really can't take control. So yeah, that was a little bit,
We're redirecting from evil when we understand. 15, the devil reversed accomplishes what many don't. And this is a weird looking devil. He's got the head's all twisted upside down and backwards here, and oh well, not backwards, I guess it's just twisted off, and got wings, and she's like,
he's
so it's not what you typically most of the devil cards is like these people, they have bondage, but they can get out of that bondage, but they don't like, it's like, why aren't you can wriggle your way out of it, why can't you, and I guess that's the thing too, she's all like, about to fall down in the face of temptation or needless fear or something.
Yeah, not being able to take control, being where needed.
Ace of hats reversed is when you can't express how you feel. What's holding you up may not be as sensed. And
yeah,
I wonder what in this safe 10-6, is that some like musical tone or something like that? I don't remember all that stuff. And the hand is glowing. So we're reminded of source energy. But you got the lily pads. Lotus is growing lily pads and all that. I don't know what else to say.
A little
hope. 13, death reversed, is when you can't express how you feel. Witnessing what happened with others allow directing possibility. And well, I think I should leave possibility in the singular, but allows is probably the right form of the word, so I changed that. And so yeah, it has
there's bystanders. It's pretty tough when you feel like you can't control things.
Wasn't the point? It's like she knows she's more powerful. It's like, but she's standing up to the whole thing.
Yeah, just kind of watching, see what happens. Wanting to express and just all these cards that kind of just go together, you know. Yeah, but a lot of hawks, like, er,
The 3 of oysters reversed simply won't. There is something you should carry, even if it means obscurity. So the 3 of oysters is your work card. But while pig is a very base sort of symbol. So, but that's how it is too, is the physical work that you can put your consciousness and principles into isn't always outwardly glorious, but you know, well, it's like it's like parents. Taking care of the little ones is not always clean and nice and oh,
right.
I can take all these pictures of the kids to post online, which I don't think most people are just like, oh no, my naked baby pictures are all online. Why?
No, I don't think that's a good idea either. Not even like
Oh, especially
people
nowadays, yeah.
online, and that's not a good idea.
But there's a result was basically my thing because you got, because that's how the kids form attachment if people just, and it turns out to be the opposite if they're not taken care of right. So,
Right.
but like I keep saying, it's not like particularly when I talk about the ZD, the idea is not what they do or what they don't do. The idea is that they're including their spiritual relationship as part of what they do. So in a sense, it's as much as people talk about, oh, there's shakes and all this other stuff and social rules and all this, but the point is actually beyond morality with that group.
Right.
And unless there's any some further thoughts, I'll switch to the next.
That's about it.